In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make news-like videos in Inshot. First, open the Inshot app on your device and start a new video project. Import the clips or photos you want to use in your news segment. You can use a single main clip or combine several shorter clips to create a full story. Once your media is loaded onto the timeline, trim away any unnecessary parts by dragging the edges of each clip. This will help keep your news video focused and professional. Next, let's set up the video format so it matches where you plan to post it. For example, choose a horizontal format if you're aiming for a traditional news style look, or vertical if you're posting to social media stories or reels. In the canvas or ratio settings, select the aspect ratio you need and adjust your clips so your subject stays centered and clearly visible. Now it's time to add text, which is a huge part of the news look. Tap the text option and type in your headline. Keep it short, bold, and easy to read, just like you see on TV. Place this text near the bottom of the screen and choose a clean font with strong contrast against your background. You can add a solid or semi-transparent background behind the text to mimic a news banner. Adjust the duration so the headline stays on screen long enough to read comfortably. To make it feel even more like a real news broadcast, add a lower third. This is the bar that usually shows the reporter's name or a quick summary. Insert another text layer below your headline, use a slightly smaller font, and position it just above the bottom edge. You can use Inshot stickers or shapes to create colored bars behind your text, helping it stand out and giving that polished news graphic style. After that, consider adding a logo or channel name in one corner of the screen. This acts like a watermark and makes your video look more official. You can use an image file if you have a logo, or simply create a small text label and keep it on screen for the entire video. Now, let's work on audio. Import a clear voiceover or record one directly in Inshot, explaining the story in a calm, steady tone. Place this audio beneath your video clips on the timeline. If you want background music, choose something subtle and lower its volume so it doesn't overpower your narration. Finally, preview the entire video from start to finish. Check that your text is readable, your transitions are smooth, and your audio is balanced. When you're happy with everything, export the video in high quality, and it's ready to share as a news-style clip created entirely in Inshot.